One of my favorite cool tool go-to applications is the Revo Uninstaller. You can see here that it has a free version, a pro version, and a pro portable version. And by the way, the pro versions are excellent. They can do many things that the free version can't. And for example, if you have a piece of software that's just bits and pieces that doesn't have the uninstaller and Windows can't see the program to uninstall it cleanly, Revo can go find those bits and pieces if it's the pro version. But the free version is excellent for most things. What Revo will do will be to uninstall something cleanly. And when I say cleanly, Windows does not always uninstall them cleanly. I'm going to just type Revo here and call up my Revo Uninstaller. And let's say that I want to uninstall one of my programs. I have to wait for just a moment here for it to finish loading all of my programs. There we go. I see 166 programs loaded. And I'm going to uninstall Driver Booster. So I'll click that and just say uninstall. The first thing it's going to try to do is to find the uninstaller that is built in to this piece of software, if there is one. And it will turn out that Driver Booster will have an uninstaller of its own, which you now see on the screen. And I'm going to go ahead and let it use that uninstaller. I'm going to uninstall all of these parts as well and let it go through its thing. And there it goes, beginning the uninstaller. Now, again, this is Driver Booster's own uninstaller. Sometimes the in-house uninstallers, or the uninstallers that are associated with a piece of software, will ask you if you want to reboot at this point. They'll tell you you need to reboot to finish the uninstall. If that happens, don't do it when you're using Revo. Do not allow it to reboot. I'm just going to click OK and now begin the scan. And what it's going to do is begin scanning for leftover registry items that Windows missed. And now this is true if you use the Windows uninstaller or if you use the uninstaller that comes with a piece of software. Windows does not clean up the registry after the uninstall. And so this is going to go through and find all of those leftover registry items. And here they are. I'm just going to go ahead and say, look at all these that it just missed. I'm going to say select all and delete. Yes. And now it will find all of the folders and files that were left over that Windows missed normally during uninstall. Windows just overlooks these things, and it's not abnormal at all for Windows to miss a whole bunch of them. I'll deselect all, or select all, I mean, and then delete, and we'll delete those. And there it is. Everything's cleanly uninstalled now. I love this piece of software. I highly recommend it. If you can't afford it and you would use it often enough, I also even more highly recommend the pro version. But the free version is awesome. So thanks for listening.